Joy? Parang bigla namang humaba yung buhok nyo. Eh, samantalang kahapon lang tigi kayo.
Ganda na.
Oo, pero paano nyo napahaba ng ganyang kabilis yan? May bago bang hair grower sa supermarket?
Ito yan, Amanda. Oh, look, magic, ha?
Ay.
Oh.
Ang galing! Gusto ko rin yun! Gusto ko rin!
Gusto mo i-try?
Ito, try
Okay,
ko.
Dali, oh. Oh.
Aray.
Oh.
Aray, parang no pain, no gain.
Ayan.
Ang ganda! I love my long bangs. Parang ang dami-dami kong buhok. Ang galing-galing!
Miss Joy, Amanda, do you have any idea why Boss Rick is in such a foul mood all of a sudden?
Ay, Ma'am Carol, baka stress.
Kasi kaninang saya-saya lang namin dahil naka-clinch kami ng deal with our Korean client. Tapos, kumuha lang siya ng kape. Pagbalik niya, parang nalugi yung buong kumpanya. I don't understand.
Mang Carol?
Alam na namin kung bakit. Siguro dahil...
Dahil sa buhok niyo?
Hindi lang po yung buhok per se, pero yung length niya.
Oh my, you're so insensitive. Ikaw kaya, kung isend kita sa workplace ng mga kasama mo mga 6-footer and above, wouldn't you feel low, as in literally low? At ikaw, Miss Joy, kung ang mga kasama mo, mga slim at walang weight issues, wouldn't you feel a great sense of insecurity?
Ma'am Carol, bakit po kayo naka-hair extenders? Kitang-kita pa nga eh.
Oo nga!
Amanda, it is one thing to wear it. It's another thing to talk about it.
Hey, what's up? Girls, look at my hair. It's the new craze.
You are so hopelessly politically incorrect. Your boss is clearly experiencing a great sense of insecurity. He's getting bolder, older, and you're flaunting your hair in front of him.
It's okay. Don't mind me. I'll just take this special cup of coffee and I'll savor every sip. Fine taste. Terrific aroma. This coffee is truly special. Kayo, gusto nyo? You know, I serve this coffee to all my guests. To all my long-haired guests.
Lagi na lang ba tayong walang pakialam sa mga feelings ng office mates natin? Wala ba tayong konsensya?
Tama si Ma'am Carol. Dapat meron tayong gawin para hindi naman tayo nakakasakit kay Boss Rick.
Yes, he's the head of this company.
Ay, naku, Miss Carol, pwede ba huwag na natin i-mention yung head? Anything to do with it? Yung mga kalbo, yung mga bald,
Tama ka
ganyan.
dyan. We should at least show him that we sympathize with the situation. Teka, alam niyo ba kung ano ang nararamdaman ng isang taong nakakalbo?
Ma'am, nagpakalbo na ako dati. Presko, yung summer. Oo.
Alam ko na! Kung gusto natin makisa kay Boss Rick, bakit hindi na lang tayo magpakalbo na?
I wouldn't go that far, Iha.
Ramiro, there's wisdom in that idea.
Thank you.
Hindi natin kailangan literally magpakalbo.
Teka. I'm lost eh. Paano tayo magpapakalbo kung hindi naman pala tayo magpapakalbo?
Good afternoon, Boss Rick!